Do you want to change the result of a formula but not sure what an input value needs to be to get there? Well, the good news is you don't have to spend hours crunching random numbers on a calculator. Instead, you can use Excel's GoalSeek tool to do the hard work and get the answer in seconds. Let's dive in and have a look at a simple scenario. We need to borrow £5 million to build our new corporate office. The current interest rate is 8%, and we'd like to pay it off ideally in 20 years' time. The formula we've entered in cell B7 shows us that our repayments would amount to just over £40,000 a month. Now here's the problem. We need to keep the repayments to £35,000 maximum, so we'll have to increase the term of the loan, but by how much? Let's see how we can solve this. First, select the cell that contains the formula you want to change. Here we're using the payment function to calculate the repayments. Click the Data tab on the ribbon. Click the What If Analysis button and select GoalSeek. You only need to specify 3 parameters. The cell that contains the formula you want to change. Since we already have the correct cell selected, it's filled in automatically for you, but otherwise you'll need to type it in or click it on the worksheet. What you want the new value to be, you'll need to manually type this in, and which cell you want to change to get to that value. Type the cell reference or point and click on the cell on the worksheet. Once you've entered your values, click OK. The good news is Excel quickly found a solution. The bad news is it will take an extra 10 years to pay off the loan. If you want to keep the solution, click OK or click Cancel to return to the original values. This is just one example. Why not give it a try and see how GoalSeek can help you get the formula result you really want. Thanks for watching. Look out for more hints and tips on our website.